Okay, good afternoon. And today let's continue to learn Unit 15 that talk about where do animals live. So at the first time we have to learn about the keyword, about the different keyword in this unit. And please try to remember all the keyword and try to read and try to understand the meaning of the keyword in this unit. So don't waste the time. So let's continue to the keyword page. So the first keyword that we have to learn today is the word habitat. And here is an example of the word habitat. The place where an animal lives is its habitat. Okay, so do you know what does habitat mean? So habitat is the place where an animal lives is its habitat. And the second keyword we learn about forest. And here is an example of the word forest. A forest habitat has many trees. And the third keyword that you have to remember is the word rainforest. What does rainforest mean? And here is an example. A rainforest gets rain almost every day and is hot all year. And the next keyword we learn about desert, not desert but desert. And here is an example. A desert is very dry and has lots of sand. And the next keyword we learn about grassland. What does grassland mean? And here is an example of the word grassland. A grassland is covered with grass. We call grassland. So it's the land that has a lot of grass. And the last keyword we have to learn today is tundra. And here is an example. A tundra is a very cold and snowy place. Okay, so in this page, please try to remember all this keyword. And if you don't know about the meaning, you can open a dictionary or you can ask me. Okay, now don't waste the time. Let's continue to the next page. Okay, so in this page, we are going to continue to read all the sentences. So let's listen to the MP3 together. Let's get started.
Do you think polar bears could live in a desert? How about fish? Animals live in different places. The place where an animal lives is its habitat. Animals can have food and stay safe in their habitat. A forest habitat has many trees. Animals like deer, squirrels, and rabbits live there. A rainforest gets rain almost every day and is hot all year. Snakes, lizards, and crocodiles live there. A desert is very dry and has lots of sand. Small animals like rats, scorpions, and spiders live there. A grassland is covered with grass. Zebras, giraffes, and elephants live there. A tundra is a very cold and snowy place. Polar bears and caribous live there. Do you think polar bears could live in a desert? How about fish? Animals live in different places. The place where an animal lives is its habitat. Animals can have food and stay safe in their habitat. A forest habitat has many trees. Animals like deer, squirrels, and rabbits live there. A rainforest gets rain almost every day and is hot all year. Snakes, lizards, and crocodiles live there. A desert is very dry and has lots of sand. Small animals like rats, scorpions, and spiders live there. A grassland is covered with grass. Zebras, giraffes, and elephants live there. A tundra is a very cold and snowy place. Polar bears and caribous live there.
Okay, now look at this picture. So we can see several animals like scorpion, spider, lizard, crocodiles, zebras, giraffe. So we can see some animals. So please try to remember about the habitat and about the name of the animals. So where does scorpion and spider live? The scorpion and spider often live in a desert, right? So please try to remember scorpion and spider live in a desert. And what about crocodiles and lizards? Okay, so crocodiles and lizards live in a rainforest, right? So please try to remember about the habitat of the animals that they live in. It is your general knowledge. If your friends or anyone asks you, where the zebra and giraffe live? So if you learn about the lesson, you will remember about what you study in this lesson. So zebra and giraffe live in a grassland. Please try to remember. Okay, now let's continue to the next page. Okay, in this page, we will answer all the questions about Unit 15. So, question 1. What is the passage mainly about? Is it A, the smallest and the largest animals? Is it B, habitats where people live? Is it C, some habitats on the earth? So which one is the main idea of the passage? Okay, what do you think? Okay, let's check the answer together. Okay, so the mainly passage is about some habitat on the earth. It talks about the habitat of the different animals. So all the animals cannot live with the same habitat, right? They live in different situations. Okay, now continue to question 2. Where do giraffes often live? Okay, did you remember? Where do giraffes often live? Is it A. Giraffe lives in rainforest? Is it B. Giraffes live in grasslands? Is it C. Giraffes live in forest? So, which one is the correct answer? Did you remember about the last picture that we studied together? Did you remember? Okay, let's check the answer together. Okay, giraffe is a kind of animal that eat grass. So they often live in a grassland, right? Okay, now continue to question 3. What does habitat mean? Is it A. a place that has food? Is it B. forest and desert? Is it C. a place where animal lives? So, what does habitat mean? A, B, C. What do you think? Okay, let's take the answer. Okay, so habitat, it means a place where animal lives. We call habitat. Okay. Okay, now question 4. According to the passage, which statement is true? A. Elephants live in the desert. B. A tundra has cold weather. C. There are many trees in grassland. So, which one is true? Elephants live in the desert? No, I think elephant doesn't live in the desert. Now B. A tundra has cold weather. Okay, it's B, alright, right? Okay, let's take the answer together. Okay, tundra is a very cold place. Okay, so please try to remember. Okay, now continue to the next page. Okay, number 5. Complete the outline about forest habitat, rainforest habitat, desert habitats, grassland habitats, tundra habitats. Okay, so let's complete the outline together. Okay, so forest habitats, many trees, deer, squirrels, and A. What is it? What words should we put here? Deer, squirrels, and what is it? Okay, the animal that live in forest habitat. So deer, squirrel, and so what words should we put here? Did you remember about the last picture that we learned? We just learned. So let's take the answer. Okay, so a rabbit. Okay, now complete the outline about rainforest habitat. Rainy and hot all year. Lizard and crocodiles. So B. What word should we put here? What do you think? Okay, let's take the answer. Okay, snake, right? Okay, snake. Okay, about desert rabbit tat, dry with lot of sand. Okay, so red scorpion and spider. About grassland habitat, lots of grass, zebras, giraffes, and elephants. And about the outline tundra habitats, cold and snowy. Okay, so let's complete the word here. What word should we put here? Okay, so polar bears often live in a tundra. Okay, they love to live in a very cold place. Okay, polar bears. Okay, right now continue to vocabulary builder. Okay, write the correct word. Okay, we see some picture and the picture one. Where is it? Okay, let's look at the picture one. A rainy and hot place all year long. So what word should we put here? Okay, so rainforest. Okay, let's continue to picture 2. Where is it? A very dry place with lot of sand. So what word should we put here? A very dry place with lots of sand. Okay, now check the answer. Okay, so desert is a very dry place with lot of sand, right? Okay. Now picture 3. Where is it? Okay, we see a big grass field, right? So okay, let's complete the answer here together. A place covered with grass. So what word should we put here? Okay, let's take the answer together. Okay, so grassland is a very big grass field. Okay, so right here we put grassland. And the last picture, picture 4, a very cold and snowy place. Okay, so what word should we put here? Okay, let's take the answer together. Okay, so tundra is a very cold and snowy place. So please try to remember some keyword and try to understand tundra. What is it? What does it mean? So tundra is a very cold and snowy place. And what does desert mean? Desert is a very dry place with lots of sand, right? Okay, so congratulations, you finished unit 15.